Good morning. So today is May 26th. I thought I'd record a quick video on my Bitcoin analysis and explain why I'm staying out of the markets and observing what happens before making a decision as to how I want to trade, what's going on. As you can see here, where price currently is, it's going up, down, up, down, up, down. So trying to trade this, and the way I trade, not trying to catch the very top and exit at the very bottom, or catch the very bottom and exit at the very top. I try to catch the middles because I found that that's a little bit safer, because you could wait for confirmation and not predict. Now, if you were to try to trade the up and down, which I've tried to before with a little success, but it's hard to find consistency in that for me, because as it goes up and down, you can get chopped up. So what I'm seeing here is, on the daily, current candle is bearish. On the 4-hourly, it was bearish, but now it's currently trying to push up. What I'm trying to wait for is, I want to see if price is either going to break down, come back and test it and fail, or if price breaks up, test it and push up again. Because what I'm seeing here is this and this. So the overall large downtrend here is also continuing in a mini downtrend, because I see lower high, lower highs, lower highs, but it's creating these equal lows. The two potential patterns that I'm seeing here, which are conflicting, which is another reason why I want to stay out until whichever pattern plays out is confirmed, are, I see a potential bullish flag, as price makes its way down. It could possibly push up, right? It could push up. But I'm also seeing this here, because as you can see, previous down, creating a flag, and then it breaks out of that flag to the downside. That's more likely what I'm expecting to see, but I'm just being patient because I want to confirm that that is what is going on. Yeah, I thought I'd just share a quick one here today, analyzing that, showing what I'm waiting for, showing how I see it. If you want longer videos, check out my previous videos on my YouTube, and I'll see more of you in the futures. Peace. So I did end up making a trade. The way that the trade went was, I think I recorded, but it broke down out of this sideways channel, so confirming the direction of the bear flag. What I saw was, after the push down, now it's starting to create a new structure, which was a bearish structure, creating a lower high from So what I saw here was when it got out of this sideways range, breaking down, it now started to create a new structure, creating a lower high from this, a lower low, and then another lower low. Where I entered was, I also saw that because there was a resistance here, I waited for price to break below it and then come back to test it and see if it would respect it, which it did. And as price was pushing down, that's when I entered. And now I'm just riding the momentum down. So because I haven't been trading for a little while, I wanted to feel comfortable in my position. So I made sure that I did my risk calculation to calculate my loss based on my account size and what I was willing to risk and what I was comfortable to lose. I took 25% profits here, but I left my stop loss where it was. So then at least the size that I'm trading with now becomes a little bit smaller, so that if it does hit my stop loss, I lose less, but I also have taken some profits from the market. As it continued to push down, I took another 25% profit here, and then I moved my stop loss to now break even. And then now we're just waiting to see what happens if it can get to here. If it can get to here and it looks like there's possibility for further continuation down, what I'm going to start doing is moving my stop loss to now areas of profit. So even if price goes back against me and hits my stop loss, which is a trigger command for the market or program to exit my position, it's going to be in profit regardless of what happens. I'm not going to be losing money on this trade for sure, and I know that. So it makes me very comfortable to then hold my position for a little bit longer because I see that the momentum is still going down. So I'm going to close my position here because it is now 8:30. I've been in this position for about half an hour, possibly, maybe even less than that. But I've already made more than my 5% per day, which is my daily target. And I don't want to get greedy with it. Plus, Leanne and Mick are going to be waking up soon. And I got an internet guy coming, so I want to make sure that my house is a little bit tidy for when they arrive. And I made my goals already. That's the beauty of day trading. Took me half an hour. Now I'm done for the day. If I want to be done for the day, if I want to get a little bit more later, I can try for that. But finding the consistency as well and understanding when to stop and when to keep going, that's another mental battle that you'll have to be fighting yourself for and learning how to stay disciplined in doing that. Now I do see that momentum is still pushing down, but I saw this kind of wick pushing up as well. And yeah, I was happy with what I already extracted from the markets and didn't really feel like sitting in it any much longer. So I just exited. But that's the beauty of day trading. My day's work is done in half an hour. It's not always like that, but when it's like that, it's awesome. So that's the reality of it. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the futures. Peace.